Welcome to this week's safety training on safe merging. Most highway merging collisions are considered preventable on the part of the professional driver. But, the way these collisions occur may not be easily understood. Most merging crashes happen due to one of three main things: driver inexperience, visibility, and blind spots. The truck driver's blind spot actually extends from 11 feet behind his front bumper to 12 feet 6 inches in front of it. Here are some tips to reduce the chances of causing a merging crash. Before beginning the trip, properly adjust the driver's seat and clean and adjust all mirrors in order to minimize your blind spots. While driving, scan your mirrors often, so you know what's around your vehicle. Make certain you have enough space to complete any maneuver you attempt to make. Communicate your intentions to merge or change lanes to other drivers by turning on your turn signals before you begin your maneuver. A minimum of 3 blinks of your signal is recommended. After you pass, make sure the vehicle you just passed has the proper following distance behind you before you lane change back in front of it. Watch for any vehicles around your truck that may be moving into your blind spots. If you had sight of a vehicle and it suddenly disappears, it's most likely in your blind spot. Here are some other great tips on merging safely. Avoid lane changes, when possible. Try to safely merge behind other vehicles when entering a roadway. Avoid sudden and unpredictable maneuvers. Always be sure to signal well before you approach an exit. Thanks for watching and have a safe week.